Come test drive the 2021 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires front all season. Come take a test drive today.